Hello students, last time I told you how you will be doing the addition and the subtraction and how you will be doing the product, getting the product for algebraic expressions. Now today for part 4, for the operations on algebraic expressions, that is part 4, I am telling you next concept, that is expand 2x plus 3y whole square. If you have this type of question like 2x plus 3y whole square and you have to expand it, then how you will solve it. Now for question number 1, like 2x plus 3y whole square we have and we have to expand it. So here we will use the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this side is expansion of this bracket. So this side we have in the form of 2x plus 3y whole square. Now we will expand it in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what is the value of a over here? 2x whole square. What is the value of b? It is 3y whole square plus 2 multiplied by value of a is 2x and multiplied by b, that is 3y. In next step you will open the bracket, 2x whole square. It is coming 4x square plus 3y whole square plus 9y square plus 2 multiplied by 2 4 multiplied by 3 12xy. So this is the expansion for this bracket, 2x plus 3y whole square. Because here we have plus sign, so we will use this identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This side is expansion for this bracket, so we will use this identity for expansion, this expansion of this, that 2x plus 3y whole square, we will use this identity a square, we will use 2x whole square, b square, we will use 3y whole square plus 2 we will be putting over here, then multiplied by 2x, b multiplied by 3y, 2x whole square. It means 2x multiplied by 2x. It will be coming 4x square, then plus 3y square, 9y square plus 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, 12 and xy, 12xy. So 4x square plus 9y square plus 12xy is the expansion for this bracket. Now for question number 2. It is x plus 2y whole square. Again we have plus sign over here. We will use same identity for this, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. These identities you have to learn. So a square plus b square plus 2ab again you will use. Now x whole square. For b we will use 2y whole square plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 2y. In next step you will open the bracket, it will be x square plus 4y square plus 2 2s are 4xy. Now it should be clear to you that for expansion this bracket we will use this identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and we will be putting the values for a and b. Value of a we have taken x, value of b we have taken 2y, and you will solve it like this. Now I have taken two more questions, that is question number 3. Here we have taken minus sign in this bracket and you have to expand it, x minus y whole square. Here we have minus sign, so we will use this identity a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and this is the expansion form for this, and you have to expand. So a square it means x whole square plus b square it means plus y whole square minus 2 you will be putting value of a we have taken x, value of b we have taken y. Now you will open the bracket, it will be x square plus y square minus 2xy. This is the expansion for x minus y whole square, or you can say x minus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square minus 2xy. Why we have taken here minus sign? Because in this bracket we are having minus sign. For question number 4, it is a minus 3b whole square. Again we will use a minus b whole square for expansion. So first you will write this identity and you have to learn these identities. A square plus b square minus 2ab. Now you will use expansion side. It will be a whole square plus b. We will write plus 3b whole square minus 2. You will be putting value of a is a and value of b we are using 3b. Now a whole square, a square plus 3b whole square 9b square minus sign 2 multiplied by a multiplied by 3b. It will be coming 6ab. So a square plus 9b square minus 6ab is the expansion for a minus 3b whole square. So this is the concept for expansion. In question number 1 and 2 you have done for a plus b whole square. In question number 3 and 4 we have used this identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, because minus sign is over here. So a square plus b square minus 2ab, this is the expansion form for this bracket. So a minus 3b whole square is equal to a square plus 9b square minus 6ab is the expansion for this bracket. Thank you.